Hello, Crazy Surfer here. Back to the bird's nest. This is going to be a long project. I hope you enjoy watching the whole thing. Did you just see that stick drop? If you didn't, go back. It is amazing later on what happens with that stick and that bird. I was very impressed. And one goes out and the next one is right there with the next piece to stick in the nest. These two were efficient when they built this. There was some downtime in between that of course I've chopped out because looking at an empty bird's nest is almost as excited as when I speed it up when they're just sitting there, but it is what it is. It's fun to watch. I have found that watching these mockingbirds work these sticks in here is pretty fun. They are quite a bit smarter than I gave them credit for. So from here on out, I will be using the super fast speed for the times when they just keep weaving the sticks in. There is not much to see, and when the birds exchange positions and one flies out and one flies in, I'll slow it down so you can see them trying to get the sticks into position, and we will watch them build a proper mockingbird nest. And so here it comes, the big foreshadowed event. That mockingbird dropped that stick. It is still hanging there, and it jumps up to take off, takes a look down and says, "Hey, wait, I remember now." Grabs this stick and digs it into the nest. No flying required. I can't believe that bird remembered that stick was there and got it. This is fun too. Watch it try and get that thing up in there. Working. I think I can. I think I can. There you go. He made it. Well, thanks for watching part 2. I've already started chopping up part 3. We will get a proper bird's nest before this is done. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.